Fish. Fish. Oh, that's a big one, dude.
Big fish.
What's going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm in the John boat again. We got Mason Outdoors behind the camera.
Good.
We're gonna try and get on some big bass today. I got a funny challenge going on today. If either one of us, Mason Outdoors or I, catch a bass over 4 pounds, I'll jump in this water. Dude, that's a PB. So here we go. All right, guys, out on Blast Lake in the John boat. Got the old Johnson trolling motor. Got Mason Outdoors in the front. Gonna start it off with some topwater frog action. Here we go. I'm switching over to the Senko. Good old Texas rig Senko. Senko. All right, we're going to my favorite corner. Oh,
I want to be a fish though.
Made it to the juiced corner. Let's see if we can't get on some fish now. Dude, I had a bite. Yeah. I'm gonna change the color on my Senko. All right, switching it up, throwing the green Senko. I had a bite. Oh, fish. Oh, I spit it.
Bro, in midair too. That was a little dinky one.
Spot, spot's good. I like literally have only had luck in this corner. Fish.
What?
Might be decent.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, he's coming up. Oh, that's a big one, dude.
That's a big fish. You got it.
Oh, he's coming.
You need to look him or not?
Might be able to get it. Oh, nah.
Under the boat. He's going under the
Oh!
boat. Yeah, that's scary. That's
What?
a good fish. Bro, that's a big bass. Bro, that's a big bass. Bro, that's a big bass. Bro, that's a giant.
Oh
Bro,
my-
that's over 4. You're jumping
Oh
in.
my gosh.
I'm getting a big bass.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, hold him up.
Holy crap.
That's a big one, bro.
Oh.
That
Is it over 4 though?
That's probably pushing.
Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Absolute chunker.
First catch too.
Let's see. 3 pounds, 3 ounces.
Oh, bro, I almost called that. They always, dude, I swear they always look bigger than what they actually
I know. All right.
Get it out.
Oh, one last look.
Oh.
There you go, buddy. Thanks for biting.
Okay.
He's just playing with us. He's hiding under the boat. Oh, that was awesome. That's a good first fish. Dude, I was screaming, PB, PB.
You hooked on something?
Is this a fish? This is a fish. What the?
What the heck? Probably a monster.
This is a little guy. Oh, I swam right in a weed.
Bro's stuck now.
Oh, shot under the boat. Oh my gosh, he's got some fight.
That's not a bad one,
Compared to my other one, this is its freaking food.
I guess.
Not a bad one though. Pretty little fish. Thanks, buddy.
They won't like it.
Oh, I had one. Fish. Oh! Fish? Good?
It's a fish. First one of the day, so.
Green is what they want. That might be the one that ate you.
Probably the one that- Definitely unexpected.
Fish.
Oh, we're playing.
Stay down, buddy.
Bro, this job mode is so sketchy.
Little guy.
It's the hog.
Oh, he's in the eye.
Yeah, last time I did that, I ripped out his eyes. So.
Oh my.
Rip out his eye? It's
Nah.
in a video. Oh, I thought he was bleeding.
Smallest one of the day.
Oh,
See ya, buddy. There's one. Oh. Ooh.
Gotta make sure I turn this GoPro on.
There you go. Bro, get that thing in here. What are you doing? All right, let's go deeper into the canal. All right, in the next spot. Fish.
You gotta chill out. Save some for me.
I don't think he's big.
Oh, he's a monster.
Oh, 10-pound bass.
That's the biggest bluegill I've ever seen.
10-pound muskie.
Give me the 5. Isaac deserves the little one.
Ow, ow. Oh, that's a release, all right.
37%. I'm getting so many little bites.
Just said it.
Oh! Pass it over there.
Am I snagged? Dude, I swear it was a fish.
I was gonna say, you were on the biggest fish ever.
Oh! I got trolled. Right under that tree is where I caught the 4. Right?
Psycho?
Yep. It's a blue one. I literally got it caught in the tree. I've caught a few fish right now off of that log too. Dude, if I hook a big one, dude, do I even risk casting over that log? What's even gonna happen? We're gonna have to go with the trolling motor because it's gonna go straight down. Dude, should I try it? I'm doing it. Oh! That was terrible. Got hooked in the friggin' log. Maybe this is the strat. Come right here, just flip it in there. No way.
What?
It's going under the log. Come around the log, buddy. Not terrible. No, my Senko gone. No, this thing's probably a pound. I don't even know if it's even a pound. Oh. All right. One last cast. Oh! One last cast, and we head back into the good stuff. Let's head back there. Made it back in the little hidey hole. Yeah, my Senko can't even sink, so.
Actually?
Yeah, because of the green holding up my hood. I don't seem to be liking top.
Oh,
you just got missed!
I was really in so fast.
Bro!
I was about to cast over. Bro, that's a big fish.
Cast over there.
Bro, that's a big fish.
Dude, that's my bad.
Dude, I was really into.
I didn't wait to set the hook.
Yeah, I know. You set the hook before you even jumped.
I hate it. I always do that. I always get way too excited and set the hook literally instantly. Bro, it might be too green back here. I think we have to go back to mainland.
Mainland?
Dude, I've got good luck casting right over here. I need another bass. I haven't caught one in a while. Fish. Ooh. Oh no, come here, bud. Ah, I can't even get him up here. Oh, that's a pretty decent one. It's probably for Mason's video.
Take it. Oh.
Thanks for biting, buddy.
Only fish I'm showing in my video.
Lost another Senko, so I gotta put another one on. Worth it though. Never mind, Senko was in all this green. Blended right in. Still not a 4-pounder, so I don't have to jump in yet. All right, we're moving. Is that a fish? It is.
Whoa. Oh my god, dude's slaying on the front.
Oh, look at that. He's not even like hooked.
Oh my, that is a ding. I didn't realize it was that small.
Yeah, this is a big one.
It's bigger than my fish.
Thanks, buddy. Dragonfly landed on me. That means I'm gonna catch a 6-pounder.
Yeah, he's probably gonna jump out of the water.
Oh, for you.
This way. Oh shit. Mine was way too loose. Well, that was too calm.
Not a bad one. We're in the next spot, looking pretty good. Still got the nice Texas rig Senko and this natural color. First cast in the tree. Oh, might be good. If we catch another 3.5+ pounder, I'll go do a backflip off of one of them inflatables. Whoops.
3-pounder.
3.5
Nah,
plus.
2.5.
Nah, 3.5. All right, we're moving. All right, I don't feel like standing really. Hey. Oh, I'm standing now. Better catch a big. There's definitely a fish in there. Oh my gosh, I cannot cast. You just caught one. You just caught one for the day.
Dude, I actually have a fish on. Oh my god. No shot.
Well, land him.
Whoa, that's a big pike.
That's a big one.
Look at this. Oh, he just spit that thing out. I'm about to put it back in his boat.
Yeah, he earned that meal, bro. You just took it from him. He's got a snack. He's not gonna chew it out of the water. See if he spits it.
I gave him the food back. He straight up spit that thing out on my hand.
Sit down after that one.
Oh, my hairs are wet. Just smoked my shit.
Smacked him with that.
Right on the side of the dome.
Oh.
Right out there. Jeez.
Bro, I think I gotta hang it up after that one.
Yeah, I would too.
What? Alright. Mason and I are on to that point of the day where we're gonna catch one more fish and then go destroy some Qdoba.
I know for a fact I ain't catching a fish.
I know that for a fact too. Just kidding, Mason. Catch one. What's your zodiac sign? Can you catch a fish so we can go?
I'm trying. I got nibbles. If you move to the other side, yeah. Cooked, bro. I said we're cooked. That means you don't do it. Full split.
You ain't getting no nibbles. I do not believe you on those nibble allegations. Bro, I do not believe you that you got nibbles.
I did, I swear.
Well, why don't you have a fish then?
Oh, because I always catch some little dinks.
You're a dink. All right, this is probably gonna be our last location because I know we're gonna catch a fish.
We caught 52 fish so far. All 10-pounders. Yeah, we caught 5 already.
Bruh.
Or waved at me. It's because I looked over. I saw
That
your line tighten.
was a fish. I had a terrible hook set. I was not paying attention.
Oh, okay. Oh, alright. So you're here a lot. Yeah.
Wait. What? What the? No, I didn't. Dude, we can't end on this. This little largemouth bass. Get a quality release on them. That might be the same one. Look at that. It's a big one. It's at least 10 pounds, right?
Need some water.
What? Can you catch us another fish, Mason? What? Can you catch us another fish so we can leave? Dude, right under that guy's dock. Dude, what just happened? Look at that. Look at that.
Not too bad.
That's pretty bad. I lost my.
What are the odds that I think it's stuck right in between? Well, I'm chilling.
Or are we calling it?
Might have to after that one.
That's what I'm thinking. Whoa.
Pretty steep here.
Well, that's going to be all for today's video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I didn't catch the 4-pounder in this video. I'll save that for the next time. Shout out to Mason Outdoors behind the camera, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.